are Group 1 and we're going to talk about how Spotify applies Agile project management principles to maintain market innovation and competitiveness. We are a group of 5 members: Sui, Tung, Mira, Isa, Faisal and myself, Ilse. The first presenter is Mira and she's going to explain you what is Agile project management. The second presenter is Sui Tung and she's going to introduce you with the Spotify. The third presenter is Faisal and he's going to explain you how Spotify applies 12 Agile project management principles. And the last presenter is Isa and he's going to give you 3 main reasons why Spotify uses Agile project management approach. Thank you.
Agile project management is an iterative approach that encourages direct customer involvement, adjusts to change, and develops a working product. Agile project management helps projects succeed in rapidly changing environments marked by technological innovation, global competition, accelerated life cycles, and customer demands. It iteratively improves software by incorporating customer feedback to come up with solutions. Instead of a single larger process model as in traditional software development lifecycle, the development lifecycle in Agile development is divided into smaller parts called increments or iterations. The Agile workflow divides work into sprints to complete these iterations. The goal of each sprint is to produce a working application. The workflow of an Agile iteration will typically consist of 5 steps. Number 1, plan. Each sprint begins with a sprint planning meeting. During this meeting, the product manager must prioritize work from the task backlog and assign the tasks to specific members. Number 2, design. Once the plan is in place, the team works to design and develop the application in accordance with existing guidelines. Number 3, test. The team tests the application when it is created, oversees the fixing of any shortcomings or errors, and records the results. Number 4, deliver. Following testing, the application is ready for deployment and is presented to all stakeholders and customers. Number 5, feedback. After delivery, customer comments are gathered and integrated with other relevant information to be implemented during the following sprint.
Hi everyone, I'm Hoi Tong and I'm here to share about what is Spotify. Spotify is the world's most popular music streaming service. It was originally founded in 2006 by 2 Swedish entrepreneurs who are Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzon. It has been available to the public since 7 of October 2008. And as of 2017, Spotify is available in over 60 countries worldwide and has over 140 million active users, of whom over 60 million, which equals to 42%, are paying subscribers. There are 3 important key terms in Spotify, which are freemium, premium, and royalties.
Hi everyone, my name is Faisal. The first principle, our highest priority is to satisfy the customer's needs. So how does Spotify implement that? Is by using the gradual rollout of features. These features can be applied to tiny percentage of the users within Spotify. So if something goes wrong within these features, it can be easily treated because it only implements to tiny percentage of the users. So for the second principle, which is deliver working software frequently. So for Spotify, they encourage small and frequent updates rather than the big ones which take too much time and efforts, and which from the beginning Spotify tries to avoid any time wasting. So for the third principle, which is welcome changing requirements even late in development. Spotify uses autonomous squads. These squads can make changes to the source code of Spotify without the need of interruption from other squads. For the fourth principle, which is business people and developers must work together daily. Spotify implements the concept of alignment and autonomy, which means that each individual squad will work on solving the problems without the interaction of other squads. For the fifth principle, which is build projects around motivated individuals. Spotify workers usually give credit to each other after a big accomplishment. Let's say it could be an update or a feature that has been rolled out to all users. So for the sixth principle, which states that the most efficient and effective way of delivering information is face-to-face, Spotify uses offices that are optimized for collaboration and also the use of huddle rooms, which can be used for smaller meetings. So for the seventh principle, which is working software is the primary measure of progress, Spotify implements that by using the concept of A/B testing throughout its features and also the visibility of features. So when there is like a feature that has been not finished yet, it can be rolled out to the users and hiding them. For the eighth principle, which states that agile processes promote sustainable development, Spotify uses the concept of lean startup, which is basically we have an idea, we can then build a narrative, then build a minimum valuable product, release it, analyze it, and tweak it. And this whole cycle promotes a sustainable development. So for the ninth principle, which states that continuous attention to technical excellence, Spotify is a fail-friendly environment. They promote the failing. However, as long as it can be fixed so that we can achieve those excellent results. The 10th principle states that simplicity is essential. Spotify uses the concept of Hack Week, where every employee can make changes to the source code of Spotify so that everyone can release their creativity ideas and then can be further discussed if there is a huge satisfaction. The 11th principle, which is the best architectures and designers emerge from self-organizing teams. As we said previously, Spotify uses the autonomous squads, which are small, cross-functional, and self-organizing teams. It enables those decisions to be taken locally. The 12th principle, which is at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective. Spotify uses the employee satisfaction survey, which goes between its employees after a big accomplishments, could be an update or new feature, to see how the working environment is doing.
Hello everyone, my name is Isa, and today I'm going to explore with you guys why do companies in general, and Spotify in particular, use Agile project management. There are plenty benefits of Agile project management. 3 of them are risk reduction, customer loyalty and satisfaction, and autonomy. Firstly, risk reduction. A study shows that 82% of the projects that use the traditional waterfall method has failed to meet budgetary plans. However, due to applying Agile project management, Braga 2021 notes in June 2019, Spotify stayed in a leading position with 108 million subscribers, against Apple's mark of 60 million. Secondly, customer loyalty and satisfaction. Spotify believes to open the potential of human creativity through making billions of fans enjoy and be inspired by music. Therefore, Spotify has topped the music streaming market by offering personalization services. Spotify allows the users to extract a series of features for each song, such as how acoustic or loud it is. Last but not least, autonomy. Spotify adopts an aligned autonomy strategy. That means the leader's job is to communicate what problems need to be solved and why. However, the team's responsibility is to figure out how to solve it. The company believes the stronger alignment they have, the more autonomy they can afford to give. Also, squads collaborate with each other to find the best solutions. Furthermore, autonomy is motivating. Spotify believes that autonomy makes them fast by letting decisions happen locally in the squad instead of via a bunch of managers, which will help minimize handoffs and waitings.
Thank you, Isa. I hope now you have a clear understanding what is Agile project management and how Spotify maintain its market innovation and competitiveness using these 12 principles. Thank you.
Down the river we drunk and all of a thunder.